So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use the reverse charge feature on Samsung, and on this particular case Samsung M51 and Samsung M31s to be precise. So here I have the Samsung M31s and here I have the Samsung M51. So both of this support reverse charging, and you will see there's a distinct difference in the way the charging adapters are built here. So this is basically the charging adapter that I have, and you will see that this is supporting USB-C cable, and also like on the phone I have the USB-C port. So on different phones which used to exist earlier, this used to be a normal USB port. It never used to be a USB-C thing. So here both of them are USB-C. Now typically all the phones that have like such kind of chargers, like supporting USB-C on both sides, they all actually kind of support this reverse charging. Now how this works, simply insert like the USB cable onto your device and then the next USB-C cable onto a similar phone. So here I have the Samsung M51. As soon as I put this, you'll see what happens. My Samsung M31s has started to charge. Now if you are wondering how the phone detects which one to charge, which one to not, simply remove this and simply again re-enter this, and you will see like this time this phone has started to charge. So if the phone is of like a similar make, so keep trying doing this exercise, and you will realize like if you simply remove the cable once and then reinsert it, so you will see like the first one charges, again remove the cable, reinsert it, and now this time, well, this was supposed to charge, so sometimes maybe this doesn't work that way, and now there you go, it's working. So this is the phone that charges. So this is a cool little thing because sometimes we have maybe two phones with us. We can start charging one phone with the other phone, and we really don't need the 25-watt fast charging adapter. So you can simply charge one phone with the other phone. So this is like when we are doing it with like the cables. There obviously is a wireless way of doing this as well. Maybe we can have a separate tutorial for that as well, but simply wanted to demonstrate how you can use this reverse charging feature and charge one of your Samsung phones with some other Samsung devices, or maybe Redmi, or maybe Poco and other devices as well. So go ahead and try it out. Let me know if this works for your device as well. I hope that this reverse charging feature makes you now understand that you can charge one phone with the other phone as well. So that's all from my side, guys. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe. Please tap on the bell icon for notifications. Please do share this with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.